In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email from Mailerlite. We'll walk through using the new Mailerlite interface to create an embedded form, design it, and then add it to your website so you can start growing your email list right away. First, log in to your Mailerlite account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left sidebar, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click on the option labeled Forms. This is where Mailerlite keeps everything related to sign-up forms and where you'll manage all the ways people can subscribe to your list. On the Forms page, look for a button that says Create. Go ahead and click that. Mailerlite will now ask what kind of form you want to build. For this tutorial, choose Embedded Form. An embedded form is perfect if you want a sign-up box directly on your website, like in a blog post, in your sidebar, or on a landing page. Next, you'll be prompted to name your form. Choose a name that clearly describes where or how you'll use it, such as Homepage Newsletter Form or Blog Sidebar Form. This name is for your internal use only, so pick something that will make it easy to recognize later. After naming the form, you'll need to choose a subscriber group. This tells Mailerlite where to store the new email addresses that come in through this form. Select the group that best fits your audience for this form. For example, you might have separate groups for newsletter subscribers, course leads, or customers. Once you've selected the appropriate group, click Continue. Now you'll be taken into the form editor. Here, you can design how your form looks and what information you collect. Adjust the text, colors, and fields to match your brand and your website style. You can keep it simple with just an email field and a button, or add more fields if you need them. When you're happy with the layout and design, click Done Editing to save your changes. Finally, open the Embed tab. Mailerlite will generate a piece of code for you. Carefully copy all of this code, then paste it into the HTML of your website wherever you'd like the form to appear. Once it's published, visitors will be able to enter their email, and Mailerlite will automatically add them to the group you selected.